Congrats Hema for your success.
Thank you, sir.
So, what's your passed out year?
2012.
So, what you have done all these years?
After 2012, I didn't do any work.
Okay.
After the 2 years, I worked as a non-technical.
Okay.
After marriage, I came to Hyderabad. Once I came to Hyderabad, I started searching job.
Okay.
I didn't get any job.
Okay. What was your experience with the BRN?
It's really nice.
Did you expected this success because you are a 2012 passed out? Did you expected this success after these many years of gap?
No, I didn't expect it because after marriage, I didn't expected this one.
Okay.
This is really happy for me.
Okay. What is the main reasons to achieve this much of success?
Learning, sir.
Okay.
And I have to work a lot.
Okay.
Once whatever sir told, all those things we have to do, practice.
Okay. What is the unique point and what is the difference between normal training organizations and BRN INFOTECH?
Normal other institute, they will give only just they are teaching and they are sending.
Okay.
BRN is they will give compulsory, you have to do.
Okay.
They are treating us like a small kids. We
Okay.
have to do
Okay.
pressure with
Okay.
pressure. Whenever
Okay.
we are doing with pressure, we will get a
Okay.
career.
Okay. Anything else you would like to share to the people?
No, sir, nothing. But only thing is we have to do practice.
Okay.
More practice.
Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for your
Thank you,
future.
sir.